Regret. 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 We know this path is wrong, yet we keep walking on it. We know this habit will destroy us, yet we refuse to let it go. The real question is not whether we know the truth. The real question is, why don't we change, even after knowing it? Imagine a city where every road has warning signs. This road is closed. Danger ahead. Wrong way, do not enter. Yet people still choose that road. Some say, everyone is going there, so why not me? Some say, it's too late to turn back now. And some say, maybe this road is right for me. My friend, this is the exact story of our lives today. Reality check, we know. Success never comes without hard work. Wrong company destroys your future. Wasting time steals your destiny. Lies, jealousy, and bad habits lead to downfall, yet we still look for shortcuts. Waste hours on our phones, follow the wrong people, run away from responsibility. This is not ignorance. This is betrayal of our own conscience. The biggest reason. We walk on the wrong path because truth is uncomfortable. Discipline is difficult, patience takes time, change is painful. So we choose the easy road, even when it leads straight to ignorance and regret. But remember this, the path may be wrong, but turning back is always possible. The day you say, enough is enough, I will change my life myself. That day, the journey toward ignorance ends and the journey toward wisdom begins. Regret should not be about falling down. Regret should be about refusing to rise after falling. Decide today. Turn back from the wrong path. Change your thinking. Respect your time. Because a nation that chooses the wrong path, even after knowing the truth, is not punished by the world. It is punished by time. If this message touched your heart, like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below. I am turning back from the wrong path.